So, dear student, today we are going to learn the power of accommodation of eyes. So, what is that? It is simply a self-adjusting capacity of focal length of our eye. Means you know that whenever we have to see the object nearer by, our focal length of our eye is being shorter. That's why we are seeing the nearer object, and when we have to see the very far object, our focal length of our eye become longer so that we can see the far object. Okay, so here we can see the eye have a special property to self adjustment of the focal length, and the self adjustment of the focal length of the eye is known as the power of accommodation of eyes. Now, how the eye self adjusts the focal length? That is the question. So basically, our eye have a ciliary muscle. Our eye have a ciliary muscle. So whenever the very object is not very close to us, nearby us, so ciliary muscles put a pressure on a lens, and so that lens become thicker, and its radius of curvature decreases. And if the radius of curvature decreases, so the focal length will decrease. Okay, and whenever we have to see the very far object, then the lens become thinner by the action of the ciliary muscle. The lens become thinner by the action of the ciliary muscle, so that the focal length of the eye become more. Okay, now but I have a question. Can you see the object when the object is very close to us? Suppose this is the I am able to read, that is the whiteboard marker pen. It is written here. Okay, if I bring closer this whiteboard marker, at this distance the words are blurred. So we came to know that there is a minimum limit, there is a minimum distance, or we can say beyond which we can't see the object or words properly, and that distance is known as the least distance of distinct vision. Means if you look at your finger, okay, at this distance it is clearly visible, and when you are moving this finger move closer towards, at some distance it is being blurred. So that minimum distance up to which you can see the object clearly is known as the least distance for distinct vision, and it is also known as the near point of the eye. In the same as the near, and reverse of the near point is the far point. Far point is a maximum distance by which you can see the object comfortably without any strain in the eye, is known as the far point. Far point is nearly infinite distance. Okay, we can see in the night, we can see the stars also. Okay, the twinkling of stars. So we can say that the far point is at a infinite distance for the eye, but the near point is, for the healthy person, it is about the 25 centimeter. So I hope that you understand this theory of power of accommodation, how the muscle of ciliary muscle adjusts the focal length. Whenever the focal length we have to see the object closer, it pressurize, it strain the eye, so that the curvature become thicker, curvature become more, and the lens become thicker. And whenever we see the longer object or distance object, the curvature become thinner, and so the focal length will increase. Okay, so the self adjustment of the focal length of our eye is known as the power of accommodation of the eye. Okay, I think that you will understand. I hope you will understand. Thank you. And if you have any doubt, please comment on the WhatsApp